In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Clickbank as a beginner. My name is Natalie and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the information you need to know to start and grow your business online. Now, as I mentioned, the goal of this video is to show you how to make money on Clickbank as a beginner. Now, the three things that I want to walk you through and cover with you in this video is what is the best niches for products on Clickbank? The second, how to find your product that you're going to be promoting. And third, how to promote that affiliate link so that you can get commission. Now, before we get into the actual training, I do want to just share with you a couple of things about Clickbank. One, the screenshots you see of people earning tons and tons on Clickbank, a lot of it is from affiliate marketers who use paid traffic. Second, your numbers can be manipulated, so please don't look at those numbers and be like, oh my gosh, this is how much they're making, why am I not making the same amount? And the third is to always keep your audience in mind when you are choosing a product. You want to make sure that you're offering them a really good service or a really good product because you want to keep them coming back. You want them to know, like, and trust you and your brand. Okay, so as I mentioned before, the first thing we want to do is we want to pick a niche. How we do that is we sign into our Clickbank. I'm not going to show you how to sign up today because it's pretty straightforward. I'm sure you can figure that out. Once you get into your Clickbank account, we want to go to the marketplace. And under marketplace, we are going to go onto the left-hand side where they have the list of different categories. Now, there's categories from business and investing, cooking, education, games, health and fitness, a whole ton of categories. As you can see, you want to go in and you now want to pick what type of niche you want to go into. And once we go, and let's say for this particular example, we are going to go into the health and fitness niche. So we're going to click on the category for health and fitness. Once you go into your specific category, you'll see a whole list of products that will pop up on the right hand side. Okay, so once I'm in my categories and I've picked a niche, we're going to go down and we're going to see, okay, how much of these products are there actually? So you can see here, there's like 85 pages worth of health and fitness products that they are promoting. So there's obviously quite a bit of interest. From there, another thing that we want to look at is what is the initial conversion rate? So with this specific product, for example, you'll see the initial conversion is $120. This is important to keep in mind because you want to know what the average conversion for your actual product is going to be. Now, the next step is we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick a product. To pick a product, you want to look at a couple of things. As I mentioned previously, we want to look at the initial conversion rate. So over here, you'll see the initial conversion for this is $147 per $7 per sale. And then we also want to look at the gravity. Now, what the gravity does is it tells us how many affiliates were able to sell this specific product. So if it's something that's on the higher end, that means that there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of affiliates who are promoting this product. But we want to make sure that we stay at least above 50. That is a good amount for you to know if you are going to be promoting your product to your general audience on TikTok or on Instagram. That's your specific audience. They're following you for a reason. So you can go ahead and you can promote something that has a high gravity. But if you're promoting it to a cold audience, that's when you want to make sure, especially if it's on like YouTube or on Google, that's when you want to make sure that you are promoting something that's at least above a 50 gravity, but not lower than that, or else it's not a good converting product. Okay, so let's say we're going to stick within this niche and we're going to go ahead and we're going to choose a product. So we have exposure, Java burn. I'm going to go ahead and look at this new smoothie diet. So a 21-day rapid weight loss program. The gravity is good. It's 290. Average conversion is about $28. So it's not too much for the average conversion. So let's go ahead and look for something else. Okay, this Okinawa Fat Belly Tonic, $128 conversion per sale, more or less. That's the average. And then our gravity is pretty high as well. Once we've chosen our product and we're pretty sure that this is what we want to go for, we still want to make sure that this product is still relevant. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to check on reviews. Now, if you have bought this product, you trusted this product, you like it, you want to promote it to other people, you can go ahead and just promote it from there. But if it's something that you're not familiar with, as I mentioned before, we want to make sure we're giving our audience a good quality product, because if they can't trust you after the first sale, they're not going to keep coming back for more when you have other products to promote. Okay, so now I want to check and see how good is this product. We're going to check for some reviews and see if it's really good. So Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So I'm going to go into YouTube and I'm going to see if I can find it. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. And I'm going to type in reviews because I want to know how good is this product. So here's a couple of different reviews. This one was 20 hours ago, so it is pretty recent. This one 8 months ago, 29 minutes ago. So there's a lot of reviews, which means that obviously this product is still selling. It's still doing really good. If you haven't tried it, again, you want to do your research and make sure that it is really good product that you're promoting. And another thing you want to do is you want to check and see how good is this product at helping its affiliates. By that I mean, do they have any kind of assets? And to check that, we are going to go into the actual product. So over here, you'll see over on the right hand side, it's got an affiliate page. If you click on that, it will bring up all of the information about this. So you'll see that they really do care about their affiliates. They want to give you as much information as they can so you can promote this product for them. They give you some email swipes. What that means is you don't have to go ahead and create emails to send out to your audience. They give you landing page options. They give you Facebook ads and other information about this product. So now we've got our niche. We've chosen our product. Our next step is we're going to get our affiliate link. So this link that they've generated over here for us, this is basically what we're going to use to promote this product. Now, if I look at the link in general, it looks a little bit spammy. So a lot of times people aren't going to necessarily click on your link. I'm going to show you a quick hack or a quick tip on what you can do. We're going to copy this and then we're going to go into a site called Bitly, and this basically shortens our links. So if I go in over here, so once we go into Bitly, we're going to paste that link that they gave us and we're going to shorten our link so that it looks nice and pretty. Now, when you're thinking of where to promote your link, there are tons of places that you can promote it. My top suggestion, especially if you want to see money quickly as a beginner, would be to promote it on TikTok. TikTok is awesome at generating new traffic. Now, before we jump into showing you how to promote your link on TikTok, what I do want to mention is you do need at least 1,000 followers before you can put your link in your bio. But let's jump into our bio really quickly so I can go ahead and show you what that looks like. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm going to show you how to promote it on TikTok. Again, you need at least 1,000 followers before you can put your link in your bio. But this link over here that we have inserted, this is our link to our product that we are promoting on Purely Remote. So you can go ahead, take that link that we got from the previous product, go ahead and put your link in here, and that will allow people to go and buy the product. Now, there are two options. One, if you want to make money straight away, once you get to those 1,000 followers, you can just put your link in directly. If you want to build your business for the long term, I would recommend building a landing page. Now, we will link a video up on top, and I'll also put it in the description below, showing you how you can go ahead and create a landing page and a sales funnel to create your business for the long term. But if you just want to get sales quickly, going ahead and putting that link in your bio is going to lead people straight from your TikTok page to the product that you are promoting. Now, let's say we went ahead and we chose that product, that weight loss product. What I would recommend for you to grow your page quickly is to create at least between 5 and 10 TikTok videos a day, which is super easy because TikTok videos aren't really long. And then go into search accounts and videos and you're going to search, let's say, belly weight loss. We are going to find videos that are similar. Once we go into that, we're going to look at videos or our top videos, and we're going to look for ones that are doing really well within this niche. And we're going to go ahead and recreate that same kind of content. So if I look at this video, for example, it has had 1.7 million views, and there's obviously lots of comments and engagement from this. If I had to click on their link or their profile, you'll see that there is a link in the bio. Now, the specific channel has it going straight to a YouTube channel, but if you put your link for what we just found, the product we just found, into that, you're going to go ahead and start seeing people click on your link and getting sales from that. So in summary, the quickest and easiest way for you to do it is to promote and to build a TikTok channel relating to your product that you want to promote. Put your link in that bio and make sure the link doesn't look spammy. Now, before I head out, I just want to mention that Clickbank doesn't always vet all of its affiliate products. So you do want to make sure that you do the work and you either research or review the actual product before you promote it. The second thing I want to mention is that if you do want to build your affiliate business for the long term, you do want to do some research into the products you're promoting before you promote those products. Now, the process I just showed you is called affiliate marketing. It's where you leverage someone else's product and you make a commission from it every time someone buys. If you would like to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can set up your business in just 3 days, I'll leave a link down in the description as well. Apart from that, if you enjoyed this video, felt like it brought you some value, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. And also, any questions or comments that you guys have, drop it down below and we'll make sure to get back to you. Until next time, thanks for watching.